Hello, today we will guide you through how to find uncleared checks in QuickBooks Online. If you need to review checks that have not yet cleared your bank, QuickBooks Online makes that process fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll open the right report, customize it, and filter it so you can see only uncleared checks. This can be especially helpful during bank reconciliation or when you want to follow up on outstanding payments. Begin by going to QuickBooks Online and signing into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the left side navigation menu. From there, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores standard financial and transaction reports, including the one we need for checks. After the Reports page opens, go to the search area and type in the word check. This helps narrow down the list and saves time instead of scrolling through all available reports. In the results, find and click on Check Detail. This report shows individual check transactions, which makes it the best place to identify which ones are still uncleared. When the Check Detail report opens, move to the top right corner and click Customize. This section lets you adjust the report so it shows exactly the information you need. We're going to use a filter so the report displays only uncleared items instead of every check in the system. Inside the Customization panel, look for the Filter by Section and select Cleared. This filter controls the reconciliation status of the checks shown in the report. Once that option is selected, click on the value field for that filter. A list of possible statuses should appear. From that list, choose Uncleared. This tells QuickBooks to display only checks that have not yet cleared the bank. It's a useful way to isolate outstanding checks without having to review each transaction manually. After selecting Uncleared, click Apply Changes. QuickBooks will refresh the report and update the results based on your filter. You should now see a list containing only uncleared checks. At this point, you can review the report for any checks that may still be pending, delayed, or require further investigation. If needed, you can also use this view as part of your reconciliation review process to compare against your bank activity. And that's it. You've successfully filtered the check detail report to find uncleared checks in QuickBooks Online.